confronted the expelled MLA from the Congress, Rahul Mamkuttal. But he repeatedly has dodged Times Now's tough questions and direct questions, refusing to give a clear response on the allegations of sexual assault against him.
Party has expelled you. Did you expect such a strong this from party side?
If you move aside, I can sit. If you move aside, I can sit. Move aside, I can sit.
On the back, yes. Did you expect such a strong reaction from party? Since day one, they were supporting you, but finally, when the anticipatory bail was rejected, the party expelled you. What do you have to say on that? I am at the Palakkad MLA's office, Rahul Mamkuttal's office in Palakkad, where the MLA is finally seen after 2 weeks of hiding. He's right there. In fact, when media questioned, he refused to answer any of the questions by the media. In fact, Times Now also questioned the MLA, but he refused to answer any of the questions. He has been missing since 15 days after the first complainant had complained against the MLA of sexual assault to the Chief Minister later when the FIR was registered. After that, even there was a second FIR which had come after a 23-year-old girl had complained, had written a letter to KPCC President Sunny Joseph. He had then forwarded it to DGP, and a second FIR also been registered in this case. In fact, in the first complaint, High Court has given him interim protection till 15th of December, that is no to arrest, and in the second case he has already got anticipatory bail from the Trivandrum Sessions Court. Now, after he got protection, he decided to come back to Palakkad to vote for local body elections in Palakkad. So that is when, after 15 days, he has now emerged here in Palakkad. The question remains, where was he hiding all these while? What has given him so much confidence that he is back now after 15 days? 15th is a crucial day for him. 15th December is a crucial day for him because High Court will hear anticipatory bail plea in the first case, in the first FIR registered against him, and also in the second case, the Sessions Court has given him anticipatory bail under few circumstances, which clearly says that the MLA has to go and sign in front of the investigating officer in Thiruvananthapuram. So it remains to be seen what happens on 5th. But finally, after 2 weeks, missing MLA Rahul Mamkuttal is back to his constituency.
Well, after being on the run for weeks, he finally makes an appearance, and when confronted with questions directly on camera, he smiles and says nothing. Well, we'll get you more ground reports back after a short break. The morning news are continued.